Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about resting more efficiently. The majority of people believe that relaxation is very easy. Simply recline and close your eyes. Yet, excepting the researchers, nobody understands what relaxation really implies. You're tired, so you go to bed and think that is relaxation. However, unless you are free from muscular, mental and emotional stress, you are never ever relaxed. Regardless of a shallow sense of health and well-being, the majority of people are full of stress all the time. They habitually bite their nails, scratch their head, stroke their chin, or tap their feet. Or they may pace about uncomfortably, talk compulsively, show consistent irritation, or chain smoke. Individuals do these things since they do not have awareness of their own inner stress. They may believe that they are relaxed, but a closer appearance reveals that they are not. Even while sleeping, ideas and concerns revolve in the mind, so that the tense individual gets up feeling exhausted. In order to relax completely, the inner stress of the body, feelings and mind need to be launched. Then the real state of relaxation dawns. The practice of Yoga Nidra is the scientific method of eliminating this stress. Yoga Nidra is a more efficient and reliable kind of psychic and physiological rest and renewal than standard sleep. Those who embrace this strategy in their everyday regular quickly experience extensive changes in their sleeping routines. The total methodical relaxation of a Yoga Nidra session is comparable to hours of common sleep without awareness. A single hour of Yoga Nidra is as relaxing as 4 hours of conventional sleep. This is among the tricks of the superhuman efficiency and energy of numerous excellent yogis, previous and present, who have actually handled to attain so much in one brief lifetime. In reality, the capacity to sleep and dream consciously in Yoga Nidra is an evolutionary procedure which has actually been made use of by many remarkable people throughout history, paving the way to greater inspiration and achievement in their lives. The officers of Napoleon, the 17th century basic and Emperor of France, for example, have actually reported that he possessed an abstruse and tireless source of energy and inspiration. At the very height of battle royal, simply when the result was in the balance, he would turn over his command to a subordinate, leaving instructions that he was not to be interrupted for 20 minutes under any situation. Then, retiring to his tent and extending upon a huge bearskin, he would go into Yoga Nidra. Within seconds his loud, regular snores would be emerging to mix with all the desperate sounds of battle. Exactly 20 minutes later he would emerge, fresh, invigorated and inspired, remount his horse and inevitably lead the French army to a decisive triumph.